Welcome to Law News at Law Tube. To begin with the first law news, closure of Karnataka High Court, District Court and tribunals in state extended till June 6, 2020. All the benches of the Karnataka High Court, District Courts and tribunals in the state shall remain closed till June 6, 2020 in view of the extended coronavirus lockdown that was recently hinted by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The notification issued in this regard read, further, the period of closure of the High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore includes benches at Dharwad and Kalaburgi is hereby extended till 6th June 2020 for the purpose of Section 4 of the Limitation Act 1963. Previously, it was notified that the High Court would remain closed till May 16. In another notification issued, Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court, Abhay Srinivas Okha, has constituted the following benches to hear the extremely urgent matters. The benches will commence hearing of matter for a week from May 18, 2020 onwards. The dates and details of the benches is displayed on the screen for more review. Coming to next law news, the Supreme Court Collegium has recommended the elevation of Sri K. Haripal, Registrar of the Kerala High Court, as Judge of the Kerala High Court. Coming to next law news, the Supreme Court held that in the absence of any provision for revaluation of the answer sheet, judicial review should be rarely exercised. While considering the appeal filed against the High Court judgment by the Commission and some candidates, the bench comprising of Justice Rohinton, Fali Nariman and S. Ravindra Bhatt said, this court reiterates that the scope of judicial review under Article 226 in matters concerning evaluation of candidates, particularly for purpose of recruitment to public services, is narrow. The previous decisions of the court have constantly underscored that in the absence of any provision for re-evaluation of answer sheet, judicial review should be rarely exercised, preferably under exceptional circumstances. The bench, while admitting the appeal, had appointed an expert committee. It disposed the appeal by directing the BSSC to evaluate and publish the results afresh. In the light of the recommendation and report of the expert, subject to care being taken by the BSSC and the government of Bihar not to disturb appointment made previously pursuant to the direction of the single judge. Coming to next law news, Zee News TV anchor Sudhir Chaudhary booked by Kerala police under non-bailable section for offending the Muslim religion. An FIR has been filed at Kozhikoda Kasaba Police Station in Kerala against Zee News Editor-in-Chief Sudhir Chaudhary based on a complaint accusing him of spreading religious animosity and hurting sentiment of the Muslim community in connection with a program aired on the television network on March 11, 2020. The segment anchored by Chaudhary on March 11 focused on different kinds of jihad using a flow chart describing them. The case was filed against Chaudhary under non-bailable section 295A of the IPC based on a complaint by Advocate P. Gawas, the State Joint Secretary of the All India Youth Federation, the youth wing of the CPI in Kerala. In the complaint, Gawas alleged that Chaudhary targeted the country's Muslim through the jihad flowchart he used in a bid to raise religious tension and create fissures between different communities. He pointed to the advisory of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry where Guideline 2 subsection 2 warn against using visual or words contemptuous of religious group or which promote communal attitude. So that's all in today's law news at Law Tube. If you have enjoyed Law Tube videos, please don't forget to like and share them. For more similar law news videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel Law Tube. See you next video.